Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to install XcrySDen using the terminal. You need the internet connection. Make sure you have internet connected on your PC. For the proper functioning of XcrySDen, you need to install the libraries first. So using first three commands you install the libraries, and after that via fourth command you install the XcrySDen actually. As I have already installed the libraries, so I just install the XcrySDen, and if you have not installed the libraries, then you can install the libraries using these commands. I will place these commands in the description of this video. So let's come to the terminal for the installation of XcrySDen using the fourth command. Here in terminal you just type the fourth command, sudo apt-get So installation, you see installation is completed. Now I would show you how the XcrySDen works actually. I just type here the XcrySDen. Here you see our XcrySDen is working properly, and as I have already structure file from the win2k tutorial of TIC, so I just open that file from here. Open struct file. Here you see our XcrySDen is working properly, and open the file. So this is the structure of TIC from the struct file of win2k. Thank you so much for watching. If this video really helps you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.